10:48 p.m. ETSEATTLE Bruce Leven, a self-made businessman whose sports car race teams won the 12 Hours of Sebring 3 times in the 1980s, has died at 79. Leven died September 15 at his home in Seattle after a long bout with cancer, according to his son, Michael Leven. As a driver, Bruce Leven surrounded himself with international stars who contributed to the success of his privately held Bayside disposal racing team, including victories at Sebring in 1981, 1987 and 1988. Those drivers included Peter Gregg, Hurley Haywood, Al Holbert, Scott Pruitt, Hans Stuck and Bob Woolek, who competed in the IMSA GT Series in Porsche 935s and 962s. And Dominic Dobson and Jeff Andretti in Lola open-wheel racers in the CART IndyCar Series. Leven's best season in racing was 1987, when his team earned 6 wins, with drivers Jochen Mass and Bobby Rahal finishing 3rd and 5th in the IMSA Championship despite entering only half the races. 3-time Le Mans winner Klaus Ludwig also contributed with a solo win of his own. Leven disbanded his racing team in the 1990s and turned his attention back to business, founding the Bayside Automotive Group in Seattle. Leven is survived by 4 children and 9 grandchildren. There are no memorial services scheduled.